Welcome to a new tutorial in CATIA. This is tutorial number 10 and I will cover the conic profiles. In the previous tutorial we talked about if you go to a sketch, let's go first a sketch. The previous tutorial we talked about the profile circle profiles, and previously we talked about the rectangle profiles. Now we're going to talk about the conic profiles, and it has four types: ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola, and conic. For a beginner, the easiest one to use is the ellipse, and the rest need some kind of math derivation or some background to get the accurate parabola shape. So let's first start with the ellipse, and the ellipse has two dimensions, the width and height. So first let's choose the width, then the height, and we can move it to origin, and you can add some dimension to the height. So we have the width, you can make it 200, and the height, you can make it 40 millimeter. And we can draw a line in the middle of the, just bring this here in case you don't see the line, and make it a construction. So now let's move to the second option in the conic profiles, the hyperbola. Also, you can reach to the iconic profiles on the right menu here. You can see the iconic profiles here. So let's choose parabola. We don't have any specific equation, so we just try to draw it according to center points here, and the second point, then we will have our parabola. Let's make sure that it's not construction. We have our parabola here. So let's again make a new parabola. Let's start from this here on the origin, and here we have our parabola. You can also specify some dimension for it. And here you have with the focus and conic. Let's try the conic. Make the angle of conic, and here you have your conic. So let's try it again. Choose conic, choose center point here, here You just need to be specific. And here you have your conic.